So stability is probably one of the most misunderstood or perhaps just immediately viewed in one way when it comes to wealth languages. But a lot of people can relate to this wealth language. My wife is a stability person, so I won't pick on her, but I'll use her as an example because she is the person obviously I know the best. But stability people, as you can kind of see in the quadrants, are really focused on the here and now, and they don't like to assume a whole lot of risk. And stability people, for obvious reasons, a lot of people tend to have very negative connotations just immediately with those people because they think in terms of security, and that maybe this is the person that hides under the mattress, the person unwilling to talk about finances. They just want things to be, everything okay. But on the positive side, I just want to make sure that it's clear what the positive picture of this looks like. So I think oftentimes it goes unrepresented. Is stability people are amazing. They're the best of us at making sure we feel at home, making sure we feel comfortable, making sure we don't have to worry about kind of the day-to-day things that often go overlooked. And I think about it, if you take money out of the picture, right? Like, and you maybe think about like a home that you go to that you just feel like very comfortable in. It's a spouse usually, oftentimes it's a mom, whatever it is, that just everything's taken care of. The beds are made, the towels are out, the this, the that. And stability people are, in the best ways, are wired that way, but they're wired that way in the context of money as well. So everything goes to making sure the people that they care about, the things that they care about, the people that they love, everything's taken care of, and that those people can find rest because there's no other noise or distraction, particularly as it pertains to money. So stability people are amazing when in a healthy way in that kind of role. And they're the best of us at making us feel comfortable and at home.